Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a deep dive, long-form breakdown designed for long-term investors, dividend lovers, and anyone serious about building wealth in 2026 and beyond. In this video, we're answering one big question: why are VOO and SCHD worth owning in 2026? Not just hypothetically. Not just historically. But realistically, strategically, and practically for real investors navigating inflation, interest rate uncertainty, market volatility, and retirement planning. This is not hype. This is not trading. This is about ownership. We're going to break down what VOO and SCHD actually are, why they complement each other so well, how they perform across bull markets, bear markets, and sideways markets, why they remain relevant in 2026, despite new ETFs entering the market every year, and how you can use them together to build long-term wealth and income. If you're someone who wants growth without stress, income without complexity, and a portfolio you can sleep with at night, this video is for you. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. The 2026 investing environment. Before we talk about VOO and SCHD specifically, we need to understand the environment investors are facing in 2026. Markets have changed. Interest rates are no longer near zero. Inflation is stickier than many expected. Valuations matter again. Cash flow matters again. In 2026, investors are no longer rewarded for blindly chasing speculative growth. Instead, the market is rewarding quality, consistency, profitability, dividends, and scale. This is where broad market ETFs and dividend-focused ETFs regain center stage. In times like these, simplicity wins. And VOO and SCHD represent two pillars of simple, effective investing. What is VOO? Let's start with VOO. VOO is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. It tracks the S&P 500 index, which represents 500 of the largest and most influential companies in the United States. When you buy VOO, you are buying ownership in companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Google, Meta, Berkshire Hathaway. These are not speculative startups. These are global business empires. Why the S&P 500 still matters in 2026? Some people argue that the S&P 500 is too obvious or overowned. But history shows us something important. The S&P 500 continues to outperform the majority of active fund managers over long periods of time. Why? Because capitalism rewards scale, efficiency, and dominance. VOO automatically adapts. Companies rise and fall. The index removes losers and adds winners. You don't have to guess. You don't have to trade. You just own. VOO performance and role in a portfolio. VOO's role is growth. Not explosive growth. Not speculative growth. But durable, compounding growth. Over long periods, the S&P 500 has delivered strong real returns despite wars, recessions, inflation, rate hikes, political uncertainty. VOO works because it captures innovation while spreading risk across sectors. In 2026, technology, healthcare, financials, and industrials continue to drive earnings. VOO gives you exposure to all of them in one position. What is SCHD? Now let's talk about SCHD. SCHD is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Its goal is simple: high-quality dividend income with long-term sustainability. SCHD focuses on strong cash flow, consistent dividend payments, dividend growth, Financial stability. This is not a high-risk, high-yield ETF. This is a quality-first income strategy. SCHD holds companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Texas Instruments, Broadcom, Home Depot. These are businesses that generate cash in good times and bad times. Why SCHD matters more in 2026. In 2026, income matters. Rising living costs. Longer retirements. Uncertain markets. Investors want cash flow without selling shares. SCHD provides quarterly income. Dividend growth over time. Lower volatility compared to pure growth ETFs. During market drawdowns, SCHD tends to hold up better. Not because it avoids losses entirely, but because dividends cushion the downside. That psychological benefit matters more than people realize. VOO versus SCHD, not a competition. This is not an either-or decision. VOO and SCHD serve different purposes. VOO grows your capital. SCHD pays you from your capital. One reinvests earnings. The other distributes them. Together, they create balance. Growth plus income. Offense plus defense. This is why so many long-term investors hold both. Building a simple two-ETF strategy, a VOO and SCHD portfolio can be customized. Examples include 70% VOO, 30% SCHD for growth-focused investors. 60% VOO, 40% SCHD for balanced investors. 50% VOO, 50% SCHD for income-focused investors. The beauty is flexibility. You can rebalance annually. You can reinvest dividends. You can adjust as your life changes. No complexity. No constant monitoring. Risks and realistic expectations. No investment is risk-free. VOO will experience drawdowns. SCHD can underperform during speculative rallies. But long-term investing is not about perfection. It's about consistency. In 2026, investors chasing trends often get burned. Investors owning quality tend to survive and thrive. Why VOO and SCHD still work? VOO and SCHD are not exciting. And that's exactly why they work. They are boring. They are disciplined. They are proven. In a world full of noise, complexity, and financial hype, VOO and SCHD offer clarity. Own the market. Get paid. Stay invested. That's how wealth is built. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you're using VOO and SCHD in your portfolio. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.